What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Enki Elixir before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Enki Elixir works. What is Enki Elixir? Enki Elixir is a premium wellness supplement crafted to nourish your body, mind, and soul. Inspired by ancient holistic practices, this elixir combines potent natural ingredients to promote health, vitality, and inner harmony. Its unique formula is designed to restore balance in your body, support energy production, enhance cognitive function, and boost your immune system, all while helping you feel calm and centered. Key features of Enki Elixir: natural energy boost, say goodbye to fatigue and hello to sustained energy. Enhanced cognitive function, sharpen your focus, memory, and mental clarity. Immune support, strengthen your body's natural defenses. Stress relief, promote relaxation and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Holistic wellness, a complete approach to improving physical, mental, and emotional health. How does Enki Elixir work? Enki Elixir harnesses the power of nature to revitalize your body and mind. Adaptogenic herbs, helps your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Nutrient-rich superfoods, provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fuel your body. Cognitive enhancers, improves mental clarity, focus, and memory. Synergistic formula, each ingredient works in harmony to amplify the overall effects. With consistent use, Enki Elixir helps you feel more energetic, focused, and resilient. Benefits of Enki Elixir: increased energy, experience natural, sustained energy throughout the day. Improved focus, enhance your mental performance and stay sharp. Stronger immunity, support your body's defense mechanisms. Stress reduction, feel calm, centered, and in control. Enhanced vitality, restore balance and feel rejuvenated inside and out. Why choose Enki Elixir? Natural and safe, made with premium, non-GMO ingredients free from harmful chemicals. Scientifically formulated, combines ancient wisdom with modern research. Holistic approach, targets physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Easy to use, convenient and simple to incorporate into your daily routine. How to use Enki Elixir? Shake well, ensure the elixir is properly mixed before use. Measure the dose, follow the recommended serving size on the packaging. Consume daily, take consistently for best results. Pair with a healthy lifestyle, combine with proper diet and exercise to maximize benefits. Is Enki Elixir safe? Absolutely! Enki Elixir is crafted with high-quality, natural ingredients and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety and efficacy. It's free from harmful additives and safe for daily use. Where to buy Enki Elixir? You can purchase Enki Elixir exclusively from its official website. Buying directly ensures authenticity and access to any special offers. Does Enki Elixir work? Yes! Thousands of satisfied customers have experienced the transformative effects of Enki Elixir. From increased energy to enhanced mental clarity, users consistently report feeling more balanced and vibrant with regular use.